I love my brows to look crisp, to be in shape all the time. I feel eyebrows एक ऐसी चीज है ना कि आपके पूरे फेस को फ्रेम करता है. And हमेशा अपने upper lips को clean करना, because you know, like otherwise this area kind of looks dark. And of course it's a personal preference, but मेरे case में it starts looking a bit dark and फिर makeup अच्छे से बैठता नहीं है. So for me, in such situations जहाँ पे I want to look very groomed and put together, and you know, I don't have the time to go to the salon, that is when I like to use my Bombay Magica 4-in-1 trimmer. Of course, with the trimmer you get different type of heads that you can attach to it. And यहाँ पे आपकी बैटरी आती है जो मैंने already इस trimmer में attach कर दिया है, which is again very easy. So हल्का सा इसको push करो and there you have it, your battery. Put it back. And that is it. So अभी जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो इसमें सबसे छोटा वाला हेड लगा है and यहाँ से आप ऑन ऑफ करते हो. So अब ये ऑन हो गया है, on off. So because this particular head is super precise, आप बहुत अच्छे से इसको शेप दे सकते हो. Remove the extras, हल्के हल्के जो छोटे बाल हैं, get rid of that. And जो है जैसे लोग पसंद करते हैं ना या आईब्रो का टेल करना, you can totally do that using this particular head. Now for example, I want to use this head right here. I just simply have to twist this and attach this one. You can be totally creative while using these heads and go ahead and use it on your entire face. But of course, it totally depends on how your hair growth is, thick hai ya thin hai. If you have thick and heavy eyebrows, you can totally go ahead and use the 9.5 mm eyebrow comb attachment. And if you have thin eyebrows like I do, you can use the 6.5 mm eyebrow comb attacher. I'm going to go ahead and use the precision trimmer head for my eyebrows today. The best part about this trimmer, apart from being very beginner friendly, is that it is absolutely painless and causes no cuts whatsoever. And because this device is so tiny, it's portable and very easy to carry around. Also, no worries about carrying a cable because it is battery operated. My brows and upper lips are done. I feel very fresh, I feel very good and confident, and I absolutely loved the process. It legit took me 10 minutes to do the entire thing and it was super painless. You see my skin is not red at all. वरना अगर कुछ और यूज कर रही होती या रेजर यूज कर रही होती तो मेरी स्किन अब तक रेड हो जाती. बट दिस इज सो पेनलेस, कुछ पता ही नहीं चला. कट किया and everything was done. Just be a little careful while you're doing your brows. Make sure that you're stretching your skin कि eyebrow का shape खराब ना हो, and you can clearly see what you're doing and get a mirror where you can see up close कि क्या चल रहा है and क्या कर रहे हो, क्योंकि eyebrow की shape खराब नहीं होनी चाहिए. From my side, it is a perfect product, a 10 out of 10, something that I would love to travel around. I mean, अभी मैं थोड़े दिन में दिल्ली जा रही हूँ, so I will be carrying this just in case. Check out this amazing Bombay 4-in-1 trimmer. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below.